My predecessor promised Infrastructure Week. Infrastructure Week never came. Became a punchline. On my watch, it's no longer Infrastructure Week, it's Infrastructure Decade, and it's a headline. 1 year ago today, I signed a historic bipartisan infrastructure law, a once-in-a-generation investment in our nation's roads, bridges, railroads, ports, airports, clean air, clean water, and a clean energy future. I signed it so that America is positioned to win the 21st century global economy. That means better roads and bridges, faster and safer commutes, better and affordable internet, no more lead in our water, and good-paying union jobs. From capping orphan gas wells in Appalachia, which are leaking methane, to high-speed internet in the rural Southwest. We're connecting communities along I-375 in Detroit to rebuild rail bridges in the Northeast and communities everywhere in between. There are now over 6,900 projects moving forward in every state and every territory all across America, and we're just getting started.